Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I'm smoking a French-made Rob Balzac, a Christmas gift from my girlfriend. In it, I'm smoking Louisiana Flake. And today I have some advice from Wally Frank for you, back from 1940. And the advice is called How to Keep Your Pipe from Turning Sour. The saliva from your mouth soaks into the briar of your pipe and is absorbed into the pores of the wood. This sours the pipe. To avoid this, be careful not to allow any excess moisture to enter the mouthpiece of your pipe. If you hold a pipe in your mouth continuously, block the hole in the stem with your tongue when you aren't puffing. Use plenty of pipe cleaners and clean your pipe frequently. Leave a dry pipe cleaner in your pipe overnight. The artificial flavoring in tobacco does not burn. After you have smoked out all the tobacco, the flavoring collects in a sticky mass at the bottom of your pipe and soaks into the briar, causing it to sour. To avoid this, smoke pure tobaccos, free from sticky, gummy flavorings. I hope this advice might help. All the best for Christmas, all the best for next year, but I'm pretty sure we will see us again pretty soon. So have a great day or evening ahead and see you soon. Cheers.